Welcome to another how-to video. In today's video, let me show you how you can change mobile phone number in Outlook. So first, open your web browser. Now type in the search bar outlook.live.com. After that, log into your account. As you can see, my account is already logged in. While we are in the Home tab, click your profile, which is located at the top right of your screen. Now click my Microsoft account. As you can see, we are in a new tab. While we are in a new tab, click Security, which is located at the left of your screen. In the Security tab, click Security Contact Info. The window will ask for verification method, so you just have to enter the credentials before we proceed. After that, remove the number you just have for now, if you have. If not, just click Add Security Info like mine. As you can see in my video, enter your phone number. After that, click Add. Microsoft will send you the code for the security. After receiving the code, type it in Outlook, and click Next. You just have to do the rest, and that's it. That's how to change mobile phone number in Outlook account. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.